Make chicken like this and surprise your family. Let's start by cutting 300 g of chicken fillet into small cubes. Don't worry, you don't have to be a chef to do this, just make sure you don't cut your fingers. Let's go. Pour these cubes into a glass bowl and add 2 cloves of chopped garlic, a tablespoon of ginger, a tablespoon of soy sauce, black pepper and salt to taste. Now, 1 egg white and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Mix everything together very well. If you feel the chicken is enjoying itself, you're on the right track. Now, take some cornstarch and bread the chicken fillets. This step is crucial, it will make our chicken crispy and irresistible. I'm almost salivating. In a pan, heat some hot oil over medium heat and add the chicken fillets. Leave to fry until golden and crispy, as if you were preparing chicken for a sleepover. In the meantime, let's give our veggies a boost. Cut up half a red bell pepper, half a yellow bell pepper and half a green bell pepper, as well as half an onion. What a delicious rainbow, don't you think? Heat a frying pan with olive oil and add the onion and chopped peppers. Leave to fry for a minute, stirring to avoid burning. The aroma will invade the kitchen and your family will wonder what's going on. Now, in a pot, mix 120 milliliters of chicken stock, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Stir well. This is the magic that will transform our chicken. Pour this delicious mixture over the peppers and onion in the frying pan and mix everything together. Now add the chicken fillets you fried. It's a real feast of flavors. And here it is. Our chicken fillet in a different way, but with lots of flavor. I'm sure your family will love it. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to like and follow our page for more great tips like this. Bon appetit and see you on your next culinary adventure.